Hello there fellow adventurers, welcome back to our channel BEI Traveler Adventure. Today we have an exciting escape in store for you. We are heading towards the breathtaking El Nido in the Philippines. So get ready to immerse yourself in stunning landscapes, explore hidden wonders and embark on unforgettable underwater adventures. El Nido is a tropical paradise located in Palawan province of Philippines. It's renowned for its pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and breathtaking limestone cliffs. So join us as we embark on this incredible journey to uncover the natural wonders of El Nido. Dive into its vibrant marine life and discover the magic that lies beneath the surface. As we arrived in El Nido, we immediately greeted with warmth the locals and captivating beauty that surrounded us. El Nido boasts a myriad of activities and sights to explore, but let's start with one of the greatest treasures, its underwater world. Beyond its underwater marvels, El Nido offers stunning landscapes waiting to be discovered. We hike through lush jungles, climbing toward cliffs to witness panoramic views of surrounding islands and hidden lagoons. The raw beauty of El Nido's landscapes leaves us in awe, reminding us of the wonders nature has to offer. So thank you for joining us on this unforgettable expedition to El Nido, Philippines. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel BEI Traveler Adventure for more thrilling travel content.